Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iOS 17 battery draining issue on any iPhone. So how to fix this issue? I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So first of all, fix this issue. How to fix battery draining iOS 17 on any iPhone? So first of all, update to the latest version of iOS 17. How to fix this issue? Open the setting and then you have click on general and then you have click on software update, and then you will be show on your iPhone they have any update available on your iPhone. So you have fix and install and download on your iPhone. So then other solution, you have uninstall app that are draining the battery from the background. So you have must be remove the app battery draining background on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have turn off Bluetooth and mobile data on your iPhone while when you not is use on iPhone. जब आप अपने मोबाइल पर मोबाइल डेटा और ब्लूटूथ यूज़ ना कर रहे हो तो उसको आपने बंद कर देना है। एक ये भी वजह हो सकती है। तो अब बढ़ते हैं अगले सॉल्यूशन पर। तो next solution, you have restart your iPhone. So how can I restart your iPhone? So volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears on Apple logo on your iPhone, so will be restart your iPhone. Then the turn on low power mode. So open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on battery and then you have click on low power mode is turn on, and then other solution, you have turn off location service. Then you have open the setting and then again click on setting open and then you have click on privacy, and then you show the location service is turned off on your iPhone. So hopefully, and then last solution, you have update all app uh, you have using on your iPhone, all update app. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.